Yung International Criminal Court is the global court for the powerless, ano? Meaning, court of last resort. Yung kanilang general jurisdiction, ito yung nagdidil sa mga war crimes, genocide, crimes against humanity. Doon nakapokus yung kanilang jurisdiction. And halimbawang ma-invade tayo ng ibang bansa, no? Without referring to any particular country. Baka kung hindi tayo miyembro, hindi tayo makasik ng redress o hindi tayo makapag-complain kasi hindi tayo recognize kung sakali mayroong mga war crimes na nakomit dito nung bansang hypothetical ito na mag-i-invade. So ako ang personal opinion ko, we should rejoin yung and I limit my answer to my personal opinion na sabi ko global court for the powerless. Ito yung universally abhorred crimes committed against a group of people. Pinanggit ko na genocide and so forth and so on. So, yun, very strong ang ko dito. We should enjoy.
Other senators.